Welcome to Mott Motorcycles, and what a treat. Look at this, an MT-10 SP. Now we don't see many of these. They are absolutely stunning machines, and as you know, they don't make these anymore. So it's got the CP4 engine derived from the R1. Some lovely bits of kit on it, and this one has done just over 2,000 miles. It is in lovely condition throughout. Let's have a little walk round and point out the highlights. So coming down from the front, got your black screen on there, no chips or damage. Coming down the front here, braided lines because it's an SP, and the electronic suspension. Front mudguard, lovely. Again, no chips, scratches, cracks or anything like that. Coming around the side, the wheels, as far as I can see, are unmarked. There's your Öhlins electronic suspension there. There's an Evotech radiator guard fitted from there to there, so the full length. Going around the side, got a GB racing cover there. And again, all the engine cases and frame unmarked, and so is the bodywork. Obviously in the Icon Performance colourway, which is absolutely lovely. And I'm not sure if you can see tucked inside there the Öhlins electronic rear suspension. Going down the side, standard exhaust, unmarked. Rear swing arm, beautiful condition, and rear wheel. Again, over the top of the seat, contrast stitching on there with a nice little MT-10 logo. But again, no rips, no scrapes on the seat, as you would expect at this miles. Coming round to the left, we have the chain sprocket and rear swing on this side. Again, bodywork absolutely lovely. Coming down, and we have GB racing cover on this side with the quick shifter, of course. Bottom belly pan there. Round to the near side, front wheel and assembly. Going back up, those braided lines again. Again, ends of the handlebars, clutch lever, mirror, all unmarked. Going around this side again, all absolutely stunning. Looking over the top of the tank, an MT-10 tank pad just to stop any scratches, and there's not even any scratches on that, to be fair. Over the top, absolutely stunning. All the switches showing no signs of wear. Cruise control and your mode button on the top there on that side, and then coming over you have your menu buttons and stop start. Power outlet just there, and there you go, 2,308 miles. So there we go, MT-10 SP, lovely miles, absolutely stunning condition. Maybe a little bit of an investment for somebody, who knows? Give us a call, drop us an email, be happy to look after you.